Never buy high, sell low again. That's the promise of this video. Most traders lose money. Why? They repeat a hidden pattern. They keep buying high and selling low. They hand cash directly to the market. What if you could constantly pinpoint the exact moment to enter a trade at a huge discount? In this video, I reveal a powerful, simple, free trading strategy. It uses two hidden indicators that are 100% free. This will transform your win rate. You'll spot high probability entries. You'll grow your account, and you'll finally stack consistent profits. You don't want to miss this trading strategy. Alright, let's get the setup going. Step 1. And this is easy. Open your TradingView account. It's free and gives you all the essential charting tools. Once logged in, you can apply this strategy to any market out there. Use it for crypto like Bitcoin, or stocks like Apple, or even forex pairs like Euro USD. It's super flexible. For this demonstration, I'll be using Bitcoin against Tether, especially on the 15-minute time frame. But whether you're a fast-paced scalper on 1-minute chart or a swing trader holding for days, this setup adapts perfectly. So, how do we get these magic indicators on your chart? Easy. Look at the top of your chart for the indicators button, click it. A search bar will appear, and this is where you'll find our first custom tool. Type in a scalping pullback tool. Now, this is crucial. Make sure you select the one especially created by Just Uncle L. You'll see their name right next to it. This indicator is a game changer. It consolidates multiple essential tools for trend analysis, identifying crucial pullbacks, and even spotting potential reversals, all into one clean interface. This keeps your chart organized and simplifies your analysis. Now that we've added it, let's quickly optimize its settings. Click the small gear icon. It's right next to the indicator's name on your chart. Go into the Inputs tab, find High-Low Pack Channel Length. Change that number to 45. This fine-tunes the sensitivity of our price action channel. Still in Inputs, you'll want to check the boxes Show Medium EMA, Show a Slow EMA, and Show Color Bars around Pack. These are vital visual cues for us. Finally, switch to the Style tab, uncheck Background Color option. We want to disable that one. And for clarity, let's change the slow EMA line to a distinct white. So what we have just added, we now have a slow EMA, that's exponential moving average, set to 600, and we also have a medium EMA at 200 period, and of course the price action channel or pack as different lenses for viewing the average price over different time frames. The 60 EMA shows the longer term trend, really smoothing out all the market noises, and the 200 EMA reacts a bit faster, and the pack helps us visual price movements relative to its recent highs and lows, revealing key areas of support and resistance. Okay, while our scalping pullback tool provides a powerful foundation, it's not quite enough on its own to pinpoint those exact discount entry points. For that, we need a second incredibly important confirmation tool, and that would be the Donchian trend ribbon. Adding this one is the same simple process. Just back to the indicator section again. This time type in Donchian trend ribbon in the search bar and then add it to your chart. This indicator is brilliant. It confirms the overarching trend direction using Donchian channels, essentially drawing lines based on highest highs and lowest lows. The default Donchian channel period is typically 20, which is perfectly suited for our strategy, so no adjustments are needed here. Now, you might be thinking, okay, That sounds great, but how do I actually use this on my chart? Let's walk through a couple of real-world examples together. Let's examine this section of the chart for a buy trade example. First, notice the clear uptrend. Price is generally moving up and both our red and white EMA lines are nicely sloped upwards. This is our primary confirmation. Buyers are in control. Next, watch as price starts to pull back. It dips down and touches or even enters the price action channel or the pack. This is crucial. We're not chasing price. We're patiently waiting for it to come to us. This step is your chance to get in a genuine discount. While price is making this temporary dip, look down at your Donchian trend ribbon at the bottom. See how it turns red during this pullback? This might seem counterintuitive for a buy, but it's a key signal. This red ribbon confirms that this short-term downward movement is just temporary correction within the large uptrend. It's a screaming discount opportunity. Then bam! See this strong blue candles right here? It breaks decisively above the pack. This signals a powerful shift in momentum. Buyers are stepping in, taking control once again. This is a massive signal. Finally, at the exact same time, or perhaps just a couple of 1, 2, or 3 candles after, look at our Donchian trend ribbon again. It instantly flips from red to green. This is our ultimate confirmation. When all these conditions perfectly align right there, that's your sweet spot to enter a high probability buy trade. Entering a trade is fantastic, but knowing where to get out is even more crucial. This is where your stop loss and take profit become your best friends. For a stop loss, you can use the recent swing low or the EMA lines. And for your target, your take profit, you're aiming for a minimum 2R target. What does 2R mean? It simply means you're aiming to make twice as much profit as you're risking. And let's quickly flip it and look at a sell trade example. Here, we're in a clear downtrend. Price moves down, our EMAs slope down. Next, price pull back up to the pack. During this bounce, the Donchian trend ribbon should be green. This confirms a temporary rally. Then price needs to break decisively below the pack with a strong candle. Finally, the Donchian trend ribbon needs to flip from green to red when those prices click. That's your signal for a high probability sell trade. And there you have it, a powerful, simple trading strategy to find high probability discount entry price. But mastering trading isn't just about entries, it's about protecting capital and managing risk. That's why you must see my next video. I'm diving deep into all things risk management. It's the missing piece. It turns good traders into consistently profitable ones.